Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to go over with you how to draw a fun little cartoon canoe. That's right. If you ever gone a canoe, which I have, and I enjoyed it, it's fun. So I thought it's summertime, so how about we do some canoe? All right, so if you have your pencil and some paper, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Hey, now that was a fun one. Now, what I would like to challenge you is when you finish the canoe, as you notice, I just had the water. I would love you to do the background. So put some trees, pine trees, rocks, mountain, hills, whatever you want to use. Again, use your imagination. That's the point. So if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot, buds. And if you haven't, make sure you do. As always, thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.